Okay, this is a tutorial on how to use the Jackson Laboratories Big Data to Knowledge Slack site. This is a site that will allow you to access teaching modules we discussed in the professional development courses in previous years. You should get an email from the Jackson Laboratory, either Jeff Chuang or Charlie Ray, with a link to the Slack site. I've put the link here in Firefox, and it'll look like this. You will simply add your email address here, the same email address you got the link from, and it'll verify your identity. You will then be logged in to the Slack site. I'm going to go over to the Slack site here in Google Chrome, and you can see that the navigation is here in the purple color on the left. The announcements section is used to just announce what's going on, ask questions, and so on. The important aspects of the Slack site in many ways are the channels. And you can see here I've navigated to channels, and if you have to join channels to get access to them. So you can see here's the list, and many of them only have one member here. But you can just click on a channel and it'll allow you to join that and allow you to join documents around our resources, for example. There's some very important channels that we want you to know about. First off is the channel final version. Final version is where JAX is loading the teaching modules we've developed for your use with undergraduates or graduate students if you choose. So final version is where you would go and download the actual teaching modules. So be sure to join the final modules. If you want to load resources, we would prefer that you load your own modules. If you've developed modules and you want to share them across our cohort community, use general resources. So join the general resources channel and you can load your channels here. One note on loading, you can see here I am on general resources. You can go ahead and click the plus sign here, and you can see that you can drop documents from your computer, from Drive if you use it, from a Google Docs file. You can post things, or you can actually put code and text snippet. We recommend that you actually put code and text snippets in the beta version channel. So I'm going to go to the beta version channel here, and you can go and load things here on beta version. I'll join the channel here. And again, if you have issues or if you're working in Python or R scripting and you want to put a code or a text snippet, we recommend you load it here under beta version, and folks can help you if they see issues with your code scripts. We hope this is useful. So the important things here are the channels, the beta version for testing code, the final version, which is where all the modules are, and general resources. We hope that you find the Slack site useful as a resource to assist you in teaching big data genomic skills to your students. Thank you for listening, and don't hesitate to email Charlie Ray at JAX or Jeff Chuang if you have questions going forward. Thanks again.